Okay, so now we need to do inventory system. Okay, we need to create another mono behavior script and name it as an inventory. Okay, so easy to manage our large data, big data, we use dictionaries for our scriptable object to collect how many items that we already have for the apple, count for the apples, so store item and how many we have for our apple, for our orange. Okay, so this is the where to write. So this one is your data item data, which is scriptable object, and this is the value that how much you have lah. Okay, and this one is the instance, means that later when we want to call the we need to call the function here is very easy. Okay, so means that easy for you to send your data to another script. Okay, so this one is the await lah, for instance. Okay, this is the add your items. Okay, means that when you do collecting your apples, if you check in your inventory, is it you already have apple or not? So if you already have apples, it will add the numbers toward it. So this item is means that the numbers of your items, okay, and then plus plus is this one is the element which item, and then you how many you have, plus plus add one. So else if there are no apples inside your inventory, it will just one. Okay, it will equals to one. Okay, this one is just for debugging, and this one is to refresh your UI, means that later it will be show out and you will see your inventory. Okay, so this one later you will get errors because we haven't do it. And then this is the dictionary to get all items. It means that you collect already, right? So now you collecting everything, it will returns to other place to use, especially will send to our inventory UI. So the same operation, we copy our inventory system. Okay, and for our scripting here, right click, create. Now it's mono behavior scripting, mono behavior script. Okay, this one okay. So control V your inventory system. Okay, once you already have your inventory system, you will notice that the item pickups will be no errors already. But now it will be have the errors for instant because we haven't write the instant for it. Okay, so you can type your code or you can just copy your code there. Okay, the code you can just get from the ChatGPT. Okay, so you will get error, right? I see, because this one we haven't write the script. Okay, so now the rest shouldn't have errors unless this one. The rest is just fine and okay. So now you need to attach this script to your management. So you can have empty, create empty here. Okay, we name it as a inventory manager or management or whatever, or you want system also can. Okay, I put inventory manager, right click, create empty, rename it as inventory manager. Okay, then drag your code to your inventory managers. And the class, okay, now got errors, so we wait no errors first then attach, so can. or you can be comment it first. Okay, and then we drag to here letter. Okay, you got errors or sometimes it not allow you to attach, so you just comment this. I close already. Okay, you comment your errors. You comment this one first. Okay, and then you drag to this one. You drag to here. Okay, after that you reopen this. Okay, remove the comment. Comment this, drag to your empty object called inventory manager. Okay, and then you recomment, you undo the comment. Make sure you can plug into it. This one can. Then you will get this error, no issue, because we haven't write the coding for it. So now this one, you see, okay, create empty object, rename it as inventory system. Okay, attach your script to this. Now we need to do the inventory UI. Okay, click the inventory UI, or you can click here. Okay, so got a heading here. You can just click the inventory UI here, so you go to this. Okay,